back again with another what sold. These are a few items that sold over the last 24 hours, so I just wanted to talk about them because two of them are really good bolos that you guys should definitely be looking out for. I wanted to start off with the easiest one. Not the easiest to find, but the easiest to talk about is this Zegna blazer. I got it for the brand. Obviously, it's that reseller formula. You want to get that good brand, good material, and good size. This thankfully happens to be all three. So I wanted to get into this one. This is the brand Zegna, also known as Zegna or Zegna, something like that. It's a 54L blazer, so great size, great brand, and the material is a wool mohair blend. I'm not too sure what mohair is, but if someone wants to tell me in the comments, let me know. The way that you find out, oh yeah, and then it also came with like the extra like button and the extra little piece of thread to like do little patchworks and stuff, so that was a nice little bonus. You don't have to have that with the blazer for it to sell. The tag, the material tag is right here, so that's how you find out what it's made out of. So yeah, it's 84% wool, 16% mohair blend. And yeah, so I found this for $12 at my thrift store. Had I waited 2 more days, I don't know if this would have still been there, right? But I was still learning their tag sales. I could have got this for half off. I could have got this for $6. Still great profits because it sold for $85.97. But I definitely could have gotten even better profits. But yeah, definitely be on the lookout for Zegna, or Zegna, however it's pronounced. Yeah, definitely look out for this brand of blazer. And again, good material, good size. This happens to be all three. I could have maybe gotten a little bit more, but I was definitely happy with the profits. So definitely be on the lookout for blazers. They're a category that not many resellers go to, is what I have found through my year of reselling. So I always try to check out the men's blazers. Another bolo that I think that you guys should definitely be on the lookout for is these Ninja blenders. Now, I got the whole thing. It came with the food processing cup and the lid. And through J-Ride Flips, I'm pretty sure if you guys are resellers, you guys have seen his account. If you guys haven't, go check out his channel. It's an amazing channel. I've learned so much. He's been doing this way less than I have. And he is killing it. So definitely check out his channel. But anyways, yeah. I picked up the whole thing for $30. Now, when I saw it as a whole, $30 seemed like a lot. But I remembered his advice on parting things out. And I looked up just what they sold, and I could get anywhere between $40 and $45. Now, I set it at the high of $45.97, and it sold for an offer of $40. They shot at me an offer of $35. I shot back $40, and they took the offer. So this sold within less than 2 weeks because I picked this up. Yeah, the day I could have gotten like the stuff. This wasn't in purple, the purple color that went half off. But yeah, that trip, I got this for $30, and this space already sold for an offer of $40. Now, I am in talks of someone buying the cup without the blade or the lid for $24.97. So we'll see, and you can definitely make way more money parting it out. At first, I was a little iffy at buying it at such a high cost, but me living in the Bay Area, I gotta work with what I got. So I knew that this was definitely at least $100 total profit, and it's working out. If clothing doesn't do well for you, for me, it doesn't that well because I live in the Bay Area, my price points are a little bit higher to buy. Now that I'm learning about more for-profit thrift stores, I'm having a much easier time. But when the price points are too high, you gotta find what is selling. A piece of advice that I took from J-Ride that I'm starting to say now myself is he doesn't pick items, he picks high profit and fast sell through rate things. It doesn't matter what it is, he's gonna pick it up if it sells fast and if it sells for a lot. So that's kind of what I'm doing now too. Take the fear out of the shipping. He helped me take the fear out of the shipping. I watched a lot more videos about how to ship, and now I'm not so scared to ship out things like that blender. So next up are some bread and butters. There's nothing too crazy about them, but if you can pick them up cheap enough, you can make some decent profit. This is a Brooks Brothers. Brooks Brothers used to do so much better when I first started reselling a year ago, and now it doesn't do that great. So definitely be very picky about what Brooks Brothers you want to get. You want to get plain white Brooks Brothers or those Brooks Brothers tuxedo shirts. Those do the absolute best. If you can find these like at a very low cost, you can make at least a $10 to $20 profit depending on the pattern size and all that good stuff. I got this one for $4 and I sold it for an offer of $17, giving me at about a $10 profit once it's all said and done. That is the only way I'm picking up clothing now, is if it's a very good price point or if I can make a lot more money, because clothing is very saturated. I'm going to get a lot of hate for this, but I moved out of clothing very fast once I saw how fast the market goes down. This was selling at an easy 24 to 29 a year ago, and now you're going to get it between 17 to 22, maybe 24 if it's really great. You can get the 30 if it's really great, but yeah, definitely source for your area. So this one going out for $17 plus shipping. Everything is plus shipping. I don't do free shipping. Maybe I will down the line, but right now, plus shipping is doing really well for me. These were from my closet, so no cost of goods. I set them for $13 and they sold for $13. They're just some nothing special Levi demi curve modern rise skinny jeans. Skinny jeans, as we know, are going down, so I was glad to just get rid of these from my closet. They no longer fit me. As many of you know, I went through a crazy weight loss journey and I'm just gotta get rid of these. Last but not least is Cards Against Humanity. Again, not that great of a profit. I think I sold it for like $10. I don't even remember. I'm gonna put everything obviously that I'm selling it for, but this was mine. I don't really use it anymore. I just wanted to get rid of it. I saw it in my closet the other day and I was like, oh, I don't really use this anymore. Let me put it up, and it sold. So someone else is gonna get better use out of this. So that is what sold today. That is the profits after all fees, shipping, and all that good stuff. And I just mainly wanted to show you guys blazers and the Ninja and how you can part it out. That is a new strategy I'm doing for an area that things are much higher for me to purchase at. Parting things out like that is a definitely much better strategy. So I hope this video helps. I don't really have BOLO lists or anything like that. Again, just be searching on eBay all the time. Always do your comps. I don't care if you bought it 2 times ago that you went to the thrift store. Look it up again, because the markets go down like crazy.